Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into the heart of Delaverse's magic, the AI assistant node. If you're looking to supercharge your workflows with smart automation, this is your go-to tool. The AI assistant node is like having a brilliant digital sidekick right in your Delaverse playground. It uses cutting-edge AI models to handle everything from crunching data for insights to whipping up engaging content or even chatting with customers. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it makes complex tasks feel effortless, saving you time and unlocking new possibilities for your business or projects. Getting started is a breeze. Head over to your Delaverse playground and from the menu on the side, look for the Assistant Node option. Just click it and drag it onto your canvas. Give it a fun name like Data Wizard or Content Creator to get things rolling. Once it's there, you'll see a straightforward setup panel pop up. Easy peasy. Let's break down the cool parts that make this node shine. First up, pick your AI provider. Options like OpenAI, Grok, or Claude mean you get the best brains in the business working for you. Then, choose a model that fits your vibe. Speedy ones for quick chats or deeper thinkers for heavy analysis. Tweak settings like temperature for creativity or reasoning level to match how deep you want to go. Connect it to other tools like Google Sheets for data polls or web crawlers for fresh info. It's all about building a powerhouse workflow. Enable extras like code interpreters for number crunching or web search for the latest facts. And if you're into voice chats, turn on the voice assistant for real-time conversations that feel natural and fun. Don't forget the instructions box. That's where you tell your assistant exactly what to do, like analyze my sales data, or write a friendly email. There are even ready-made templates to kickstart your ideas. When it comes to tracking, your AI assistant delivers clear, actionable outputs. For data analysis, it spits out insights like trends or predictions in easy-to-read formats. In conversational setups, you can monitor chats and responses to see how things are flowing. It's all about spotting patterns and making smarter decisions without the guesswork. The real payoff? Efficiency that frees up your time for what matters. Imagine generating personalized content in seconds or forecasting inventory needs to avoid stockouts. That's money saved and opportunities gained. Plus, integrating it into your daily workflows means smoother operations and happier teams or customers. For those ready to level up, here's some pro advice. Start simple with a template, then layer in custom instructions for spot-on results. Always test with a small dataset first to fine-tune. If you're doing voice interactions, experiment with different personalities, like a calm sage or an expressive storyteller, to match your brand. And when things get advanced, enable the Delaverse interpreter for tackling big data like a boss. Head to your node settings anytime to adjust and save your progress. In the end, the AI assistant node empowers you to automate the smart way, turning ideas into reality with clarity and ease. Whether you're analyzing data, creating content, or chatting away, it's designed to make you more productive and creative. Jump in, play around, and watch your Delaverse experience soar. Let's build something amazing together.